Hi everyone, Daniel Hashi here with Hashi Trades. So, I know it's been a hot topic recently, but before I get totally into it, before all the smooth brain apes come and attack me, I want to let you know that I'm not a shill and I still have a share of AMC, so I'm ape strong and I'm with all the people who are asking if the squeeze has been squoze. Now, I'm going to use technical analysis, and I apologize, my voice is kind of going out. I'm just getting over being sick. Fundamental to talk about what I really think about AMC. Now, showing you here my one share, but I bought at the tip top. So if anyone wants to know, I think my entry price back in March was like $30. So if anyone wants to know where to short a stock, you should probably short it where I buy it, okay? Just saying. That's just the way it goes sometimes. Yeah, so I bought at the tippy top. And as you can see, ever since I got back in to prove my loyalty to the cause, it's just gone nothing but down. But the new highs it's made recently are not even touching where I bought it. Um, Another thing that we want to look at fundamentally with AMC is how is it doing as far as earnings. So we're going to click over here and have a look. So you can see that it's doing okay. Like it's staying near where expectations are, the estimates are, but it's not, creating huge waves. It's not making Wall Street want to like throw things in the air, pound on their desks, and do lines. So, yeah, it's just kind of staying flat and it's really not doing anything financially on the books that would make investors super excited to invest. I mean, I can definitely say I've been to AMC theaters or right across the street from me, and there's business there. People are going to the movies, but they're not earning crazy amounts of money. Um, it looks like March they earned the exact same as they earned this earnings report last week on August 4th. So they're doing okay, but they're not doing great. That's all I have to say for that. Now let's go look at a professional opinion about the short squeeze of AMC. So there's been a few times, recently where it's popped up, as you can see on the chart over here, and then that would generate short interest. I'm sure the shorts got interested where I entered. And even over here, because if they enter here and they cover their positions here, they still made money. Now, if they entered here, they could have made money all the way down here. So, just because the price rises and there was a little bit of a squeeze and they did get caught with their pants down, so to speak, doesn't mean they didn't make money. Because if they would have just waited, this is a daily chart, days and days, they could have held it for quite a substantial amount of time and still have made money. So here, they're still profitable. It isn't until they kind of get up here where it starts to spike that they're even underwater. So, saying has a squeeze been squoze? I personally think there's a chance for another squeeze, but it's not going to be crazy. And we're here Thursday, August 11th. We really need to see what happens on Friday, but it looks like it hasn't even gotten to previous highs before it rejected and went back down. So, from a technical standpoint, I'm like, let's see what happens. If it can retest this and then make a new high, then that's a bullish signal. But if it can't, it's just going to keep rejecting and going back and finding a support and then kind of starting to stay in a range. That's my analysis technically of what can happen. Fundamentally, big whales and institutions don't really have a reason to be bullish on the stock because it's doing okay, it's steady, but it's not generating an insane amount of revenue. It's kind of just staying flat, as I've said several times throughout this video. So I just don't think, besides retail traders, people like us who want to see the squeeze get squoze, I don't really see any major catalyst that's just going to send AMC to the moon, even though I'd love to see that. That would be awesome. So please let me know your thoughts down below. If this video pissed you off because you think I'm a shill, Feel free to express that. We're all entitled to our opinions. But just for me, fundamentally and technically, looking at the information I have in front of me, I'm not bullish nor bearish. I kind of just think AMC is just going to sit in this $20-$25 range, and that's great for scalps and maybe some swing trades, but it's not really good for the MOASS and the squeeze getting the Squoze. Anyway, that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. I would never tell you what to do, but I hope that this video at least gave you something to think about or gave you some kind of engagement. So please like and subscribe. Bye.